Oh, and it smells good. It smells like bubble gum. Nice. What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. August the 3rd of 2025, exactly a year ago, my friend crashed my F31 and I've been fixing it, building it for the past year. Now, for the majority of the time, the car has been parked under these trees. And as you can see, there are many tree sap spots on the roof of the car, on the side of the car, that cannot just be cleaned off with a regular car wash. So I think this might just be my saving grace. This is Adam's detail spray and clay mitt. And I'm about to see how well this works against these crazy spots. Let's give it a shot. This is Chemical Guy's Invisible Super Cleaner. This is a great stuff for maintenance and regular cleaning. I'm just gonna use this as a reference to show you guys that these spots are actually extremely hard to clean off. As instructed, I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 to 60 seconds.
A few moments later.
And now, as you can see, it is a little better than before, but if you get close enough, it still looks pretty crazy. Now let's pair this up with the clay mitt. The change might not be obvious enough on camera, but this is the area that I was working on, and this is the area that I didn't touch. Listen to it. Do you hear that? There versus here. So even though this cannot replace the actual clay bar, but I would say, great stuff, Adams. It works perfect for some regular maintenance and entry-level detailing. So unless you're like me, who parked the car under that tree for a whole year, otherwise this paired up with this, they work phenomenal. The purchase link is down below. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by them, but Adams, if y'all seeing this video and want to sponsor me, hit me up. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.